Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the replay feature on Tradingview. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I've done right here. Now, this is not the home page for Tradingview. How do you create an account on Tradingview? Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Tradingview. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into the homepage for Tradingview. Once again, to the homepage, you're going to see an option that says search markets. So go ahead and search any market and click on any market. And once you click on the market, it's going to take you to the charts window for the market. So the market I'm choosing right here is Tesla. And this is a charts window for Tesla. So how can I use the replay feature on this Tradingview chart? So the first thing you need to do is to hover your cursor over the chart screen. All right, so hover your cursor over the chart screen, which of course I've done here. Then you're going to see a blue vertical line with scissors will appear. All right, so this is kind of looking like it. Then click on the specific date and time you wish to start from and click the replay button to initiate the replay. Now, first to start this, we have to click on the replay feature, and after clicking on the replay button, then we can now proceed. So I've hovered my cursor to the charts, then head over to the top. You have alert, you have replay. Now click on the replay. Now once you click on replay, you will see that the scissors is here. Now it's here. So the next step is to click on the specific date and time you wish to start from. So let's say I'm starting from here. So after starting from there, so just click on that date, and the next thing you need to do is to click on this play. So click on the play button and you see that it's going to replay. So all the chart from that date is going to replay to the current. So as you can see, it's already replaying. It is replaying. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search. Don't forget to use the stop button to stop the replay.